Impact of social media on public, a take on the future of communication. The case in the video presents a study on what impact do media tools and communities have on public through the use of internet as a web-based communication tool. It shows how people, enterprises, causes, ideas, information influences the public throughout the world. Social media, a phrase that the world is throwing up around a lot these days to describe what we are posting on sites and apps like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchats, Digs, etc. Hashtags, tweets, Snapchats, Insta posts, WhatsApp group. That's how the days be like. While the social part refers to interacting with other people by sharing information with them, the media part refers to instrument of communication like the internet. So social media is a web-based communication tool that enables people to interact with each other by both sharing and consuming information, making it a very broad term. But for the general public, this zeroes down to a much narrow list of various user accounts, profile pages, friends, followers, news feeds, and notifications. With people of all age groups using major tools of social media, Facebook tops the list with highest number of users, followed by Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Also, various brand marketers have now integrated their social media and traditional marketing activities to earn brand equity. When the World Wide Web became popular in the mid-1990s, it enabled people to share information in the ways that were never possible in the past decades. But as limitless as the possibilities seemed, there was a personal aspect that was lacking. In the early 2000s, the web became much more personal as social networking websites were introduced and embraced by the masses. Social networking websites allows users to be a part of virtual community, and as of today, the most popular social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+, each of them having billions of users per day. There are probably a great deal of more networking sites being produced as I speak. It is an amazing concept. With just one click, we can find people with similar interests, look for job opportunities, be informed about the current news, and even contact people halfway across the world. These websites have also been used as a function for employment and to advertise businesses, thus benefiting the trade economically. Although it is an innovative and efficient design, it has its negative consequences on the individuals, which may consequently affect the society simultaneously.
In today's times, even a normal person can use social media for video conferencing using forums, social networking, photo sharing, blogging, etc.
I would just say कि being an alternative media, जैसे हमारे पास मेन स्ट्रीम है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आजकल मेन स्ट्रीम का काम यही है, दे आर इम्पोजिंग अ कॉन्सेंट, दे आर इम्पोजिंग अ व्यू. तो एक तरह से जो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है, इट हैज़ कम एज ऑल्टरनेटिव टू अ पर्टिकुलर मेन स्ट्रीम क्लीशे व्यूज़. लोगों को एक सोल्यूशन मिल गया है मेन थॉट्स और एक इम्पोज थॉट से हटके सोचने का.
Many world leaders like Barack Obama, Narendra Modi reach out to public using social media for sharing their views. It is the countless array of internet-based tools and platforms that increase and enhance the sharing of information.
Social networks can act as valuable tools for professionals. They achieve this by marketing their skills and seek business opportunities. Blogging and microblogging is one such social media activity which became a mainstream from 2004. People used it as a tool for outreach, opinion forming, and self-promotion.
Hi, I'm Sukaina Dwara from Damsel to Impress. One of the reasons why I started my blog was because it was a hobby. I thought it is a great way to let out a lot of, I wanted to express so many things and my love for fashion. So blog was one of the best ways to do that. I shared about my blog in my social media, like all my friends and all. Basically it was for them to see and people started liking it.
Social media has relevance not only for regular internet users but businesses as well, to take advantage of this popular communication method and to reach out to the customers. The ultimate aim is the engagement with current and future customers and influencers in the target market.
The biggest benefiters of this social media phenomena is definitely bloggers and brands. Most of the time bloggers are paid by the brands to be endorsing or to be talking about their products on their posts. I really do believe that social media is going to take over as the biggest form of communication in the near future.
Oreo earned a great reputation for creative social media marketing. Their simple, "you can still dunk in the dark" tweet won them huge praises.
To celebrate its 100th birthday, Oreo produced 100 Facebook posts in 100 days that turned trending news stories into visual treats. It increased its Facebook fans by over 1 million and increased their Facebook engagement by 195%.
Even KitKat got popular by launching its Rich Break campaign on Twitter.
1,43,000 plus tweets as we begin the week's biggest talking point without doubt. It's a big recognition for the work that we put in, that Times Now is now the #1 news brand in the country. It's a massive recognition of the work that we've put in and the way in which we've changed the way journalism is done in India.
On the Times Twitter impact list, Times Now is the overall #1 news brand, followed by the Times of India and Aaj Tak, which is in the 3rd place, proving why the most powerful news brand in India is also the most engaging night after night. The power of a news brand is judged by the trust of its viewers.
It evaluates and ranks Twitter handles based on the impact and the virality that these handles have on the platform.
TV and social media actually feed off each other, and Times Now spotted this trend very early, and they have used a platform like Twitter very imaginatively and got their viewers extremely involved and engaged.
And the conversations and engagement each night, proof of the faith Twitterati has shown in India's most watched news channel.
Even ideas and causes affect the public. People gather online to discuss and promote various ideas and causes that they care about. One such cause was ALS, and in no time, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge created a buzz throughout the world.
This cause-caring and sharing ALS Ice Bucket Challenge swept the world off its eyes. Even business tycoons and celebrities from around the world like Oprah, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates and Leonardo DiCaprio contributed to this initiative of celebrity endorsements and also nominated others of such kind. This major ALS research breakthrough was announced and attributed to this Ice Bucket Challenge.
The internet is laden with a number of risks associated with online communities.
Cyberbullies have taken to the internet sites such as Twitter and Facebook, where they hide behind the anonymity provided by the internet to carry out their despicable acts. With the lack of physical interaction, social networking provides a false sense of security. Your new pen pal could be a man of your dreams or a creepy 50-year-old pedophile. Another common problem that is recurring in the internet is cyberbullying. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and even suicide. Also, once things are circulated on the internet, they may never disappear. Sometimes, through the protection of anonymity, people take advantage of it to express their superiority towards their victim. People need to interact with one another, and social networking is just the device that we need. Despite the fact that it is an extraordinary concept with limitless possibilities, there is a need to be cautious with what we post and act on the internet. Think before you click.
बाकी लोग ये समझ रहे हैं जो भी सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट किया जा रहा है वो फैक्चुअल चीज़ है। पहली बात तो ये, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी लोग डाल रहे हैं, पोस्ट कर रहे हैं जो गॉसिपिंग का हिस्सा है, गॉसिप है, पूरा गॉसिप है, उसमें फैक्चुअल चीज़ें नहीं है। और इसमें एक और कंपटीशन भी ये है कि लोग बहुत जल्दी उसको ब्रेकआउट करना चाहते हैं, न्यूज़ ब्रेक करना चाहते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे कि हम इसको सबसे पहले बता दें कि दिस हैपेंड, और वो उस करने की जल्दबाजी में उन फैक्ट्स को नहीं देख पाते कि वो एक्चुअली चीज हुई है कि नहीं हुई है।
Young people also run at the risk of inadvertently disclosing their personal information. This is a serious matter in the light of rising cases of cybercrimes such as identity theft.
But at the end, the same thing, unverified information जो कि कई बार incomplete भी रह जाती हैं, and then the fact of editable information, तो एक वो भी बहुत बड़ा मेजर प्रॉब्लम है। बट टेकिंग इट एज अ नॉर्मल एंटरटेनमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म एंड इंटरेक्शन प्लेटफॉर्म, इट वर्क्स वेल, बट देन privacy issues, so we cannot just draw a line between good or bad. ये चीज़ें ओवरलैपिंग है। वंस यू आर टेकिंग अ सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी स्टेप तो वो एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है जो बेटर चलता है, बट टेकिंग इट एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कंसेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, तो उसके लिए ये एक ऑल्टरनेटिव डेफिनेटली आई वुड से है। And talking about blogs and talking about Twitter, तो एक being a journalist, being a budding journalist, I would say कि Twitter और blogs जैसे platforms ने it has helped people enhance their writing skills, enhance their expressing skills, जो कि एक normal print और television में लोग नहीं कर पाते, because एक ही आपको अपना freedom देता है, अपनी space देता है जिसमें लोग खुल के बात कह सकते हैं। कोई ये डर नहीं होता कि सामने बैठ के कोई आपको जज कर रहा है। यू कैन जस्ट पोस्ट इट एंड इट इज देयर टू द पीपल टू मेक सर्टेन व्हाटएवर कंक्लूजंस यू वांट।
Also, as technology advances, people are pressured to adopt different lifestyles, making lives complicated and stressful as more and more time is spent on social media these days. Social media, with all its unlimited space, cost-effective dissemination of information, rich text, is empowering to the citizens and the producers of the content.
We don't realize how important social media has become even in our day-to-day life. As soon as I get up in the morning, the first thing I do is go through my entire Instagram feed or my Facebook or my Snapchat. I mean, we do want to stay connected all the time. It's become more like a form of news rather than just, communication with each other. Social media does have the biggest outreach when it comes to communication nowadays, and especially with the young generation.
तो ज़्यादातर जो यूथ है वो सोशल मीडिया को, फेसबुक को, ट्विटर को, व्हाट्सएप को मोबाइल हैंडसेट के थ्रू यूज कर रहा है, और वो उसको एक अपना टाइम पास का भी एक साधन है। आप यू आर ट्रेवलिंग इन ए मेट्रो, you are updating your status and you are commenting on something and you are in a mood to type something which may or may not correct. तो उन सारी चीजों को अब हमें समझना पड़ेगा। हमें एक फील ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को कहीं बढ़ाने की अब जरूरत आ गई है। अगर हम इसको ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया, सो कॉल्ड ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया या प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, टेलीविजन या न्यूज रिपोर्टिंग या और चीजों के बराबर देख करके चलना चाह रहे हैं, तो हमें ये सारी चीजें बढ़ानी होंगी, ऑथेंटिसिटी बढ़ानी होगी, क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ानी होगी, तभी ये सारी चीजें हो पाएंगी। अब टाइम आ गया है कि हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझें, हम अपने जिनको हम एड्रेस कर रहे हैं उनके ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा उसको समझें, और किस तरह का ये संदेश आगे समाज में देगी वो सारी चीजों को समझें और उसको एक बड़े पॉजिटिव वे में यूज करें। तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल नॉट ओनली फॉर द सोसाइटी बट फॉर द यूथ हु इज मोर vulnerable to get impacted by these kinds of messages on social media. So it is the time to use it very judiciously, I would say.
Social media has evolved through phases of change like any other technology. Although, with all its advantages, it is a double-edged sword, can be used for both defense as well as attack. It depends on how and who uses it and who regulates it. Now, the real question is, in this fast-moving world where we cannot even entertain a child without using an iPad, where we type as we talk, we read as we chat, we are heard but not seen, Should we close the doors as we open our computers? Should we put back social in social media? Should we become slaves to the technology we have mastered?